Hello everyone! In today's video, we'll guide you through how to crop in CapCut. If you find this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut app on your mobile device. Once the CapCut is open, tap on New Project. Then, select the video you wish to crop. Click on the Add button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once the video is imported to CapCut, click on the timeline. Swipe the toolbar to the left and choose Transform. Then choose Crop from the options. Now it's time to pick your cropping tool. Free Crop. Drag the handles around the video preview to manually select your perfect frame. Presets. Tap on built-in aspect ratios like 16:9 and 9:16 or platform-specific formats like TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Custom ratio. Enter specific width and height values for ultimate precision. Once you've chosen your method, use the handles or pinch to zoom gestures to fine-tune the crop area. Remember, the preview window shows you exactly how the final video will look. Once you've successfully adjusted the video position, tap the Apply button to confirm the changes. That's it. You have successfully learned how to crop in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.